Ooh la la, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, we already took the brass. See how beautiful looks like? See, beautiful quality. Of course, we gotta add 5/16 of welds on reinforcement, right? So, but it's nice and beautiful. I don't see any cracks. I don't see any porosity. So I don't see any bad weld. Of course, we are gonna grind it a little bit and not that much, and then we are gonna add the 5/16 reinforcement welds and cut the edges, and then add 5/16s along the vacuum bar and grind those edges on the top, and also same procedure, right? We gotta add the vertical web, full penetration, full pin, or whatever you guys call it. So nice. Well, today is Saturday, so we almost time to leave. We just wrapping up, get everything ready, just to go home. Well, just to go to the hotel. Because remember, guys, I'm from Florida and I'm from Atlanta, so I got two homes. But I'm staying here at the hotel downtown Charleston, South Carolina, babies. Ladies and gentlemen, God bless you and God bless your family and God bless America, folks.